Hi guys, many people open a project dashboard and see numbers going up. Users are growing, volume is growing, activity is growing, everything looks bullish. So people think, this protocol is winning. But they forget one simple question, winning against who? Because crypto isn't one project, it's a market full of competitors. Imagine a city where every yoga studio is growing. One studio proudly says, "We doubled our members this year." Sounds impressive, until you realize the whole wellness industry grew 10 times. Suddenly, that growth doesn't look so impressive anymore. In a competitive market, growth is nothing without market share. Market share compares the project's activity to the activity of the entire ecosystem. The formula is simple. Market share equals the project metric divided by the total metric. For example, the trading volume of one DEX divided by the total DEX volume on the chain. This tells us how much of the market a project actually controls. This is why market share matters. A project can grow and still fall behind, because if the rest of the market grows faster, your piece of pie gets smaller. Let's look at the key patterns. If market share is rising, the project is capturing more of the ecosystem's activity. Users are not just arriving, they are choosing this product over alternatives. If market share declines, competitors are growing faster. Even if the project itself is growing, the balance of power is shifting. If market share remains stable while the market grows rapidly, the project is keeping pace with the ecosystem. That's often a sign of strong positioning. Let's look at the logic behind building this metric in Dune Analytics. First, we calculate the trading volume of each DEX per week. This tells us how much activity each protocol generates. Then we calculate the total trading volume across all DEXs for that same week. Finally, we divide the volume of each protocol by the total market volume. This gives us the market share, the portion of the market each protocol controls. Since we multiply the result by 100, the values are shown as percentages. Absolute growth is easy to celebrate. Relative growth is harder to notice, but in competitive systems, relative growth is what actually matters. Here we can see how the DEX market is distributed between protocols over time. Each color represents a protocol share of the total market. If a protocol's area grows, it's capturing more market share. If it shrinks, competitors are taking that share. So this was a series about on-chain metrics. If these videos helped you think more critically, spot real trends, look beyond the price chart, this series did its job. See you guys.